What advice would you have for employers, Kevin, when it comes to either adopting a new employee handbook or keeping it up to date? Considering that this really needs to be reflected in there, because it is a formal company policy, because now it is, of course, mandated by the state. So could you talk about the importance of an up to date employee handbook?
Absolutely. Think of it as like, in medicine terms, making sure you have your annual physical from your physician. It's preventative medicine. And there can be a temptation, especially in light of all of the different strains that have been put on businesses, especially over the past 6 months with COVID, to save a little bit of money and think, well, I'll do my own handbook. And as Austin mentioned, that you can opt into laws that you don't need to obligate yourself to. FMLA is a good example of that. And you want to make sure that you have these proper policies in place. And so making sure that you have the proper handbook is so important. And more importantly, that when you have these policies, you have to know that you have them and you have to enforce them. Because otherwise you've created this record to show potential regulators or potential plaintiffs that may come back and sue you that these are the rules and you haven't been following them. So it's a two-part process. One, make sure you have it, and two, make sure you follow it.